Let's do a Skims haul. Oh my goodness. My brother is having a pop-up event today, so I was getting ready for that. It's in Malibu, so I'm really excited because I went to school there and it's just going to be super fun. But before I leave, I wanted to open, ooh, maybe I should cover that, my Skims package. I have two. Oh, this is my Valentine's Day gift to myself. You guys, I got the pink. I looked on TikTok, people were saying like, oh, the marketing team like messed up because this pink dress and like all the pink stuff was released in Nordstrom's, which I did see in person, but I didn't think that it was like anything. But as soon as I saw the video of Kim Kardashian on my For You page wearing the pink, I immediately hopped on. It looks see-through. No? Oh, also makes me look, I'm not that tan, but when this comes in, it makes me look way more tanner. I genuinely love Skims. I have the black t-shirt that I wear every week, like never miss a beat. I'll show you later, but this isn't the same one, and I really like the other one, and this one seems just more sheer. You can see that, but we'll see, we'll see. Ooh. It might be too big. That is unfortunate. It might be okay actually. This just looks very, again, it makes me look so much more tanner, but the whole kind of looks large. I was debating on getting the extra small, but they ran out like they always do. Freaking everything on the website is always sold out. Everything I get at Skims is a size small. Like their packaging is like, oh I'm a mess. I'm a mess. I think their packaging is super cute. It's also like unnecessary. I don't know, it all goes in the trash. This one is the little top. I feel like this is gonna be see-through too. Like, I love a good, you know, knit moment, but not like too much, you know? Oh, I saw on the website that the girls modeled wore it like this, so the twist is here, so it's like boob, and then you can twist it and wear this in the front, and so it's more like covered, and the back is more like, you know, I liked it. And the matching bottoms, these seem so soft. I actually think I really like this one, or I hope I do. This is their like pant and the whole thing is like this thing that like folds. I'm so bummed because this entire thing is see-through. And I hate wearing like bras or bralettes under, especially if it's just a comfy tee, but the tee itself is cute. It's like hella cropped, but it's so see-through. I will say it is extremely soft and very comfortable and like breathable. So this is the dress and it's actually so cute. Oh my god. Okay, you can't see like my entire body right now because I'm limited to the space of my room, but look at my waist. It looks snatched. It's also see-through. My nips like show, and it's okay if like my nips show, but it's not okay if like everything shows. But this one I think I could easily like wear a bra. Remember how I said this opening was too big? But now I think it is just right because makes my boobs look good. I love this one and I'm gonna keep it. I like the way this fits on my body. It's hella cute, but it's also see-through. So I'm trying to think like if I should get the black. The pants are super cute and very comfortable. I don't know how see-through they are. I don't think I have that problem. Also the top is actually not as see-through as the pink shirt, so I guess that's better. They have this band. I actually have more time than I thought I did, so I just want to share the other things I have. This is a tee that I'm talking about. Okay, I just want to show you. Look at how the tee is just like hangs. It goes slightly inside So it contours your body and it makes you look really just good. This one also is a thicker material than all. Okay, it's like similar to this one, but it's black, so you can't really, it's not very see-through, and it's so comfy. I wear it all the time. I think if anyone needs one thing in their life, it's this. It's always like sold out though. I got this. As you can tell, it's low-waisted. I wore it during my engagement shoot at the studio. It's a size small, and honestly, it did the job. It's great. I only wore it once so far, but I think it's nice to have in my closet, so if I ever need to like snatch up my body, I could just wear it. It's very comfortable. Sometimes though, this bottom part like rides up, which is kind of annoying. And I don't know if this is like inappropriate, but I also have the Skims thong. They are very, very, very comfortable, like super comfortable. The only thing, the reason why I don't like them is I like seamless, because when I go to the gym, I hate just like any type of line showing through my legging, and this is not seamless. I don't know if you can tell, but there's texture, like the edges are lined and there's stitching, so there's definitely, it's not flat. As you can see, there's like that thing and it shows, so that's kind of annoying. It's fine under like jeans and stuff, but I can't wear this to the gym. That's it. I really like these pants. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna keep the set, but I'm for sure returning that pink tee because like there's no way I can wear that. It's just so small and thin and see-through, and it's not worth your money. For sure not worth your money. And that's it for today's video. It was super fast and casual, but I hope you guys liked it because I genuinely like Skims, but it could be a hit or miss. As you can tell, like a lot of things are see-through and it's hella annoying. If you guys didn't watch my vlogs, expect more vlogs, expect more videos from me. If you ever have any suggestions, just let me know. And I love you guys and I thank you guys, and see you in the next video.